Ciao a tutti, benvenuti a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned Italian spelling and alphabet. Today you will learn the Italian pronunciation. Let's start. I will use the English alphabet to explain this lesson. In Italian, there are some consonants which change their sounds when they are mixed with other letters. These consonants are C, G, and SC. Let's start with the letter C. The letter C has two sounds, the hard sound and the soft sound. The hard sound is K and the soft sound is Ch. These sounds depend on the use of different vowels. If the letter C is used before vowels like A, O, U, the C has a hard sound and it is spelled K. For example, C before A is spelled K. K. Like cane, casa, canto. C before O is spelled ko. Ko. Like cosa, come, conto. C before U is spelled Q. Q. Cura, cuore, cugino. If the letter C is before vowels like E and I, the C has a soft sound and it is spelled ch. For example, C before E is spelled che. Che. Cena. Luce. Certo. C before I is spelled ci. Ci. Cifra. Bici. Cibo. To get the hard sound with the vowels E and I, you need to put the letter H between C and any of these two vowels. For example, C-H-E is spelled ke. Ke. Anche. Forchetta. Sacchetto. C-H-I is spelled chi. Chi. Chiodo. Chiamare. Occhi. It is possible to get a soft sound with the vowels A, O, U by putting I between C and any of these three vowels. For example, C-I-A is spelled cha. Cha. Like ciao. Lucia. Torcia. C-I-O is spelled cho. Cho. Ciotola. Ufficio. Cioccolato. C-I-U is spelled chu. Chu. Ciuffo. Ciurma. So, all in all, the hard sounds of the letter C are ka, ko, ku, ke, ki. And the soft sounds are che, chi, cha, cho, chu. Also, the consonant G changes sound when it's followed by different vowels. G may have a hard sound like G and a soft sound like J. If the letter G is used before vowels like A, O, U, the G has a hard sound and it is spelled G. For example, G before A is spelled Ga. Ga, like gara, gallo, yoga. G before O is spelled go. Go, golf, prego, gobba. G before U is spelled gu. Gu, guru, gusto, gufo. If the letter G is before vowels like E and I, the G has a soft sound and is spelled J. For example, G before E is spelled J. J, Genova, gente, legge. G before I is spelled G. G, giro, gita, Luigi. To get the hard sound with the vowels E and I, you need to put the letter H between G and any of these two vowels. For example, G, H, E is spelled G. G, ghetto, rughe, spaghetti. C, H, I is spelled G. G, ghiandola, ghiaccio, aghi. It is possible to get a soft sound with vowels A, O, U by putting I between G and any of these three vowels. For example, G, I, A is spelled ja. Ja, like giardino, giallo, Giappone. G, I, O is spelled jo. Jo, gioco, giovane, adagio. G, I, U is spelled giù. Giù, giusto, giuria. Then the consonant G can be used also before other consonants. For example, G before N is spelled ni, like gnome, lasagne, junior. Another sound is when the letter G, L, and Y are put together and is spelled li, figli, moglie, famiglia. So, all in all, the hard sounds of the letter G are ga, go, gu, ge, gi, ni. And the soft sounds are j, ji, ja, jo, ju, li. The consonants S before C also changes sound when it's followed by different vowels. It might have hard sound like sk and a soft sound like sh. If the consonant SC is used before vowels like A, O, U, the consonants get a hard sound and is spelled sk. For example, SC before A is spelled ska, ska, like scavo, scarpa, scaduto. SC before O is spelled sco, sco, scorta, sconto, fresco. S, C before U is spelled scu, scu, scuola, scusa, scuto. If the letter SC is before vowels like E and I, this will get a soft sound and it's spelled sh. For example, SC before E is spelled she, she, scesa, scelto, pesce. SC before I is spelled she, scivolo, sciopero, sciarpa. To get the hard sound with the vowels E and I, you need to put the letter H between SC and any of these two vowels. For example, SCHE is spelled ske, ske, scheda, scherzo, mosche. SCHI is spelled ski, ski, schiena, schiera, molluschi. So, all in all, the hard sounds of letter SC are ska, sko, sku, ske, ski. And the soft sounds are she, she. That's it for today. È tutto per oggi. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. The next lesson is about closed questions with to be. Grazie, a presto!